Hi, my name is Lodoe Gyatso, and I'm a friend and a longtime supporter of SFT. Today, I'm here to tell you a little bit about the Tibetan Policy and Support Act. The Tibet Policy and Support Act was introduced in the US House of Representatives on the 13th of September 2019. The bill was passed with an overwhelming majority in the US House of Representatives, and it was then sent to the US Senate on the 30th of January 2020. I support the Tibetan Policy and Support Act because it highlights the fundamental fact that the Tibetan people have the right to choose their own spiritual leader in the succession of the 14th Dalai Lama. That is why, as a Tibetan American, I have sent a letter to my senator to support the TPSA, and I think you should too. You could go to the link down below and send a letter to your senators. It only takes a minute, and it has a really huge impact. Together we all can work to make the TPSA an American law.